first contacted me and Dan, we had a wonderful conversation, and I mentioned a statistic that actually they weren't terribly aware of, which is that 60% of all books are purchased by women. So as a novelist, when I'm wearing my novelist hat, I had to think about that, and I had to think, if I want to try to make my books really appealing, how do I appeal to a female audience? And one of the things I think that's key is that I know as a reader and a viewer myself, I love relationships, and I'm interested in what draws people together and what, let me give you a quick example. If you look at Spock and you look at Data, those characters captured women. And when I was a little girl, Spock captured me because I kept thinking, I bet I could make him feel something. Data, everyone knew that if they could just spend some time with Data, he would find that human emotion. And those are the kind of things that women are interested in: communication and relationships. And not to say that we don't love action. I mean, I used to be called the girl who writes action. And so I do enjoy it. But I think it's critical for appealing to women viewers and readers that we give them characters that they can identify with and bond with. That being said, I want to talk a little bit about the fact that I think you also need to have powerful women characters. I'm probably going to ruffle a few feathers here, but did any of you see the mashup of Buffy and Edward? And, you know, while a tortured character, as in Twilight, is again appealing, I loved Buffy's reaction to those kind of behaviors. And so I think about those things when I write. The other new vice that I've developed recently is that I got an Xbox. And so I do things like, well, I've written a scene in the screenplay, I can go play Xbox now. I've written 5 pages, I can go play Xbox. And I played Halo with my boyfriend, and I played Mass Effect, and they're fun, but I'm addicted to Dragon Age. And I'm not a fantasy person. I mean, I love science fiction. So for me, this was a revelation, and I realized that what it is I got to craft my own character, and I get to have these fascinating conversation trees with these characters that you acquire on your journey through this amazing game. If any of you haven't played it, it's wonderful. Even to the point of romance. And you know, there's the assassin who doesn't want to commit, and he's a devil may care, but you can touch his heart if you do just the right things. This is the kind of game that will appeal to women and bring them in, as opposed to just a straight-up single-person shooter, which again, not to say they aren't fun, they are, and I really enjoy them. But I think that when you're writing for women and when you're viewing that, we are in fact a communicative sex, to our boyfriends and husbands' dismay at times, but we want to talk. And so I think when we give women that opportunity to seek the relationship, to watch a relationship develop, that's a great interest too.